Guangzhou Pro Baby Kids Product Company Limited, established in 2014, has been keeping fast and strong development. It is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of baby safety products, bed bar, hook, bathroom products, floor mat, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our associated factory currently owns more than 100 patents and obtained ISO 9001 BSCI SMETA 4-pillar certificate. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, England, Europe, Canada, Australia. We also welcome the whole world orders. Our company, short-named as Pro Baby, have been respected as a gold supplier by our customers both at home and abroad. We are proud of our ambitious team, all-in-one production system, R&D ability, design, manufacture, and high-quality control procedure. With well-equipped workshop and experienced staff, Pro Baby team develops based on solid ground and does best efforts to embrace change for creative future. We are confident to be your most reliable supplier for OEM or ODM order. Welcome to freely contact us. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
We are professional manufacturer and designer of lighting yets on OEM and ODM service. Prodigy has been audited BSCI, SEDEX 4-pillar, and ISO 9001. We are confident to be one of your best suppliers for successful business.
Talk to us, meet your lead. Thank you.